our security program is finally in place. Time to go watch YouTube videos. Oh no, my demilitarized zone!
What happened here?
Those clueless users, they undermined my security program again.
Well, I think it's time for another clueless user training video.
Did you ever play sports and have your coach tell you that the team is only as strong as its weakest player?
Well, it's the same way in security.
Even a strong security program can be undermined if users don't do their part to keep the environment secure.
Users need access to the company's networked resources in order to get their work done.
And if you didn't have the internet at work, you couldn't watch YouTube videos.
Here's an all too common scenario.
In just 6 months, it seems like I've watched all of YouTube. Oh boy! Hot hacker chicks give lap dances? Click, save, download, and play!
We've got one from Super Secure Company.
Rootkit installed, firewall stopped, reverse connection succeeded, and keylogger activated.
I'll start scanning for other vulnerable systems from inside the company.
The last one to get a customer information database is a rotten egg. Let's face it, the internet is for
Malware!
Oh, right. Even innocuous looking links can contain malicious code.
And you might not even know about it.
Man, blonde hacker chick was smoking hot.
Malicious attackers are all over the internet, hoping you will help them to get inside your company's network.
The message, as usual, is be vigilant, know what you're clicking on, and raise your computer's security posture as much as possible to protect yourself and your company.
Here are a few tips to help you avoid becoming a victim of downloaded malware.
Be careful what you click on. It's your best bet to protect your computer from downloaded malware. Additionally, we're going to look at a few settings that will help keep you safe. You should always have your browser set to prompt you whenever you download something. For example, here we clearly see we're going to download an attachment. However, it could just as easily say, click here to view my profile. You think you're going to a web page and you wouldn't know you're downloading something to your computer. However, when I click on it, I get a clear prompt saying, what do you want to do? Open the file, save the file. If I check this box here, do this automatically, then when I run into a similar file, I won't know I'm downloading it. It'll just automatically download. That's what we want to avoid. However, if I have clicked this box and I want to change it, in Firefox, you go to Tools, Options, Applications, you have your list of content types, and we want to make sure it is set to always ask. Save file would be if we had checked that box and we wouldn't know what we're downloading, so we'll have it at always ask. Similar in Internet Explorer, also ActiveX controls are something we need to have a handle on for similar reasons. We want to know what we're downloading. We want to be able to choose on a case-by-case basis. Tools, Internet Options, Security, Custom Level. Scroll down through here, there's a few ActiveX controls here. You want to have them set to disable or at the very least prompt, again, case-by-case basis. Do we trust this site? Do we need the content? Another good way to get malware is through your email. You get an email from someone and you download the files included and they turn out to be malware. Again, be vigilant. Do you trust the sender? Do you need this content? Do they mean to send this content? The last thing we're going to look at is MD5 sums. For example, here on GRM Noobs, we have a file for you to download and an MD5 sum given. MD5 is a hashing algorithm that will detect changes in a file. So if you were to download this file from us and for clickjacking or other means you got the wrong file, if you did the MD5 sum, it would detect the changes. You would type in MD5 sum and then the file name. In this case, grmnoobs.py. Would calculate the sum on the file you downloaded, and you compare this value to the value published on the website, and you know that you got the file we wanted you to get. You trust us not to give you malware, so you know you're good and you can run the file. On the whole, be vigilant, be careful what you click on, be aware of what you're downloading to your computer and what you're putting at risk.
Next time, when you see a suspicious link, stop and think before you click.
Make sure you know what you are putting at risk before you download something to your work or personal computer.
You don't want to be known as the kid who gave the black hats the keys to the kingdom.
That's all for now.
See you next time.
Bye. Georgia, what's up all the books?
Let's face it, I'm not hot enough to be a senior.